Oh no, lads. Look at this disaster I've just done. No. No. Trying to be cocky, get as close to the curve as possible at the post office. That's your lad's fault for buying stickers, because I have to go to the post office room wheel. No, I'm joking. Keep buying stickers, it funds the channel. More mods. Lockwoodsstore.co.uk. Yeah, lads. Headlights are horrendous in two different ways. The inside of the lens crap, but we're going to do it in a different video, and the outside of the lens is just full of like oxidization, so we're going to get rid of that today, hopefully with the help of my boys from AutoGlym, even though they're not my boys, they're not sponsors the video, but I'm going to pretend that they are. So welcome to the vid, lads. We're going to be trying out the AutoGlym Headlight Restoration Kit in all of its glory, with even the microfiber cloth, which will be nice, mate. Can't remember how much I got this for. I think they're around 20 quid. So when I ended up, like, the polish on its own was like 10, and like when you add all the sandpaper and stuff, you may also get the kit so much easier, but I'm going to try and see how well it is. Now these headlights are absolutely F-U-C-K FUBAR, lads. So you can see all the condensation on the lens. Oxidization on the lens. So we're going to try and get that off. Now there is loads of dirt inside the lens there, so we're going to take the lens off eventually and clean it inside anyway, but I just want to make them looking easy enough so I can't bother trying to find my heat gun, and I still got to find a bloody drill, but you know, we're going to do this first today, lads, and I'm hoping it goes well. Jax, there's my little baby. What are you doing? Oh, let me have a stroke. Come here, come here. Oh, cha 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 cha. So we got the compound there, which I'm pretty sure we used last. And we got loads of sandpapers and stuff. Oh, actually, I need to find a spray bottle because we need to wet sand the things on the last one thing. So, you know, because it's quite handy having one of these because they always like help you. They always find stuff when you're in need. I think it's called a mum. I think that's what it's called.
Do not get me on that.
You know, you just cut your fingers, and
yeah.
I'm going to do a bit of an edit here. So I need a water bottle. I have one very, very powerful drill. Toothbrush is more fucking powerful than that.
Right there.
So with the magic of editing, I'm going to pretend like I know what I'm doing, but really, between the edits, I'm just going to read the instructions. The headlight with a little bit of cleaner first, just to get the dirt off. And then do a drill. Lovely. So we start off with an 800 grit, going up and down all the way across, and it gives us about 10 of these, so I'm guessing you probably need to go a couple of them, but I'm guessing we're going to sand it until it's before I got rudely interrupted with a phone call. I'm going to just literally sand until I don't even know what I'm looking for, to be honest, lads. I'm just going to sand for about 5 minutes, see what happens. Let's get this, lads. The 800, it's the best that I can do. I mean, I feel like it's not getting any different the more I'm going now, so I'm pretty sure we're done there. I might go over a little bit over this bit here. God, the wind, go away, man. Now we're going to move on to the 1500 grit, and that's just should loosen up all these, like, you know, deep scratches and stuff. But it's really smooth now, the surface. I got rid of some big sort of things there. So 1500, same again, it should become a little bit more translucent, and then we're going to go higher grit. Boring stuff really, lads, to be honest. It looks like after the 1500 grit, so I think now we're going to move up, but I think this is where we start wet sanding. We're going to wet the surface, and also wet and this. Now this is where it should look really smooth. After this, you can actually see the water actually looks really good here. So I'm going to do this, and then we should be pretty much seeing it pretty clear. That's after the 2000. Now we're going to move on to the 3000, and I think that's the last one. Of course, the bloody drill died halfway through, doesn't it? So the drill's on charge. So we're going to have to wait for that to charge up, lads. It's always better to have 2 batteries for a drill, or even a rattle gun. Always better to have 2 batteries, but sometimes our batteries cost more than a fucking drill. Oh, lads, the wind has blew away the bloody polisher, the big white pad. Oh, for God's sake. It's gotta be somewhere. It's gotta be somewhere. Ah, you little bastard. Got you, you little fucker. Trying to run away from the Lockwood. There's no escape, mate. Should know this. The last sanding of the 3000, you can only just see really fine scratches of where the 3000's been, but the polish is going to pull it out. Now you can see some things on the inside of the lens, like there, that's on the inside of the lens, but we're going to see how it comes out with the polish, but it's looking alright, to be honest. So, I'm going to couple dots on there. I'm going to spread it over the headlight first. Just dab it over the headlight. And then we're going to get in, then we're going to start doing exactly the same thing, just working in the polish. So I've been polishing for around about 5 minutes now, and I've put quite a lot of polish on, and I think this is the best I'm going to get. I might do one more coat. Yeah, I'm going to do one more coat and I'm going to show you, but they are looking okay, they are looking pretty good. Before, we've got an after. Like, there's still a little bit, you know, on the lenses, but I'm pretty sure they're on the inside, and we can't do much about that until we actually split the lenses, but it's only a slight difference here. But I mean, I'm sure when we get it on the car, it's going to look way, way, way better. So we're going to get to the other side. But I need to charge the drill, because it's run out of fucking battery again. Currently I'm going to lie down, lads, because I'm knackered. I'm waiting for the drill to charge. I've started on the other one. I've been doing a lot of it by hand, because the drill's not charged. Oh my god, this is a lot of effort. Wow, this is knackering. It'd be alright if I do it with a cord drill. With a cord drill, it'd be a lot of fun, but I've just been stopping and starting with a bloody crappy little cordless one. Nah. So after lots of stress with this bloody goddamn crappy drill, this is how they come out like. Pretty nice. His lenses are still a little bit tacky inside and need a clean. This one definitely came out a lot better. I tried this one with the drill more, and I tried to use a little bit of my hand with this one, but it didn't really make much of a difference. But they actually look quite nice. They look a lot nicer on camera than they do in real life, though. Trust me. Pretty. That is a lot cleaner. I need to get rid of all this polish somehow. Oh god, getting polish off plastic, impossible. Now I still really need to take the lens off, ideally, but it's a little bit better. It's a little bit better, especially on angles like that. It does look a lot better. So my critics at the end, I feel like the pads weren't very good at matching to different leveling surfaces, and my lights aren't very, you know, fly eye. But I know sometimes a lot of lights have like a really big indent for indicators, and like things come out forward. What? So I felt like I had to like do like the curves by hands, and my lights are pretty flat as it is anyway, so for lights that aren't that flat, I don't think it'd work very well. Another thing is, make sure you use a cord drill. Like, there's a lot of drilling which goes into that, and there's like a lot of pressure you got to put down, so it's quite stressful on the drill. And I had to charge mine about 8 to 10 times every time I did it, and it was making the whole process so long. But overall, I think it is a lot easier just buying them kits and going buying things individually. If you've already got loads of different sanding paper, then just do it by hand. I feel like it didn't really make that much difference doing it with the drill than by hand. Obviously, a lot less stressful, but I mean, it's not like, oh, you can't not do it by hand. You can do it by hand. They do look way better now they've been cleaned. Way better. We've got some bad news, lads. It's a fucking Vauxhall. Bring her on, lad, bring her on. Anti-social, this thing. Anti-social. I'm thinking, instead of jacking it up, we'll just try and get it onto the ramps. It'll get higher and it's way easier, but I don't know how low you are. Well, you're fucking pretty low. How easy is it to get the bumper off? I tried. Yeah, but to get the bumper off, I'm going to jack it up anyway, so I'll probably just have to just jack it up, but I don't even know what we're doing, lad, to be honest. Fucking hell, this is a lot harder than we thought. It is. Fuck me. All we want to do is put a res on it. We've not even started the grinding or anything. We've literally, all we wanted to do is just pull this centre pipe off, but for some reason, I don't know what someone's fucking done. They've used some magic and put it in that fucking tight that we're going to have to pull all the fucking exhaust off, just try and get it spinning. Well, hopefully we can pull off this lumbar sensor. It's like a 21mm spanner, and I don't have one. But I've got a big daddy adjustable one over there, so hopefully it's not too tight. But being a lumbar sensor, you never fucking know. Oh, fucking hell. Got a headache, me, mate. Actually, I've got a fucking headache. Holy shit. So we need to put fucking this thing between there. Yep. Yeah. Alright then. Our fucking slip. I hope to God this slides. Is that going to go in or over? Because it's going to go over. Yeah. Right, okay. Do you want to grind or do you want me to grind? me grind, fuck's sake. Right, just to protect my eyes, I can't find any fucking plastic ones. What we'll do is just slide it on loose for the time being, and then obviously tighten one under the car, so we're going to have to get it pretty flush in it. I hope it's not a pain in the ass getting it back in that fucking centre pipe. Once them bolts are on, we're sorted.
All two of them.
All two of them, yeah. Hopefully that gasket's holding up well.
Right, gasket.
Fucking hell, I hate doing exhaust work on drives. Like, you can see where you want to put your hands, but you just can't fucking... Right, start her up, lad. Let's hope she's not leaking anywhere. Make sure she's in neutral. It's blowing from that gasket.
Yeah, quite slithering.
It's that gasket, yeah. Yeah, it is. I can feel it here. How tight are them bolts? Oh, it's blowing like mad from the top. Yeah, it's definitely. Because there's only 2 bolts in it, there's no bolt on the top. Yeah. I might have one, let me check. So we had 2 bolts, so we've bodged up, we found a couple nuts, and we've cut off the end. Well, where's the one that we fucking cut off? Cut off the end, and then we made our own fucking bolt. Right, let's start her up. Hopefully she's not leaking. It's better, but I don't know actually.
Oh, that's right. Box all like that, yeah.
Still a tiny bit, but that's just the gasket. Just from this side. You might see a new gasket. Because they're as tight as they can get them, aren't they? So. Oh. What the fucking hell's this, lad? Never seen him in my life. Right, lad. At least it's done its job. At least the resonator's actually working.
Oh,
Quieter.
oh.
I've got absolute banging headache. I'm supposed to be going to the gym, but there's no way I'm going to the gym now. I'm going to bed. I'm fucked, lads. Absolutely fucked. But thanks for watching. I know it might be a long video, a bit of a random video as well, halfway through, but I love you all.